Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I need to find a time machine to go back to '89 and redesign the scene. I'll start with the picture in my junior high yearbook when I had a bad haircut and a weird look. And why was I such a jerk with a sharp tongue? I didn't care who would get hurt and for what. To gain the esteem of friends that I barely knew but haven't even seen since then. These things I should've long forgot, but still they can pop up and haunt your thoughts. Cause Lord knows we've all made mistakes and laid awake at night to replay the tapes, but that's dead. Cut the ties, here comes the future. Open your eyes and opportunity knocks, and you're soon to be lost. If you're scared to move, it'll pass through as you watch. So learn from the past or you're doomed to repeat it. It's a new day, don't assume you're defeated. Join me, let's laugh at the past. That's half of the task. If you agree, say oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey. Oh yeah. Yup. Oh yeah. Yes. Einstein, tell him.
Digging up old ghosts that you wish you could forget. Step right up. Hurry, hurry, don't miss this. Come on in, baby. No hesitation.
Never miss the moment that
I wish I would've known what I know now then. Was everybody's buddy, had 1,000 friends. Used to go with them away, give them places to stay. But now in hindsight, they're just wasted days. I've heard the saying, keep your enemies close. They gotta be my friends cause they depend on me most. But nope, look who's on the ropes getting okey doke. Sucker punch, body slam and grab by the throat, that's me. At the age of 18, in my late teens, had to make the break clean and start over again. Was I really their friend? Or did I compensate for being shallow within? Who knows? But what I do know is this: life is too short, soon you won't exist. So make the best of it, start now, not later.
Oh yeah.
Einstein, take me out with the fader.
Dizzy Dustin.
Oh yeah.
That's right. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We gonna do it like this. If you think for yourself, say. And if you're digging this song, say. And if it's all about the music. And if you like Pigeon John, say. Down under to the Orient. And out to the Middle East, say. Yo, all across Europe. And back to Long Beach, say. If you love drum breaks and the hip-hop shows, when you're looking at the future, man, don't say no, say hey. It feels good, yeah. Bring it back now, bring it back. Yeah. Yeah. Say yeah. Yeah. Keep it rolling now, keep it rolling now.
I wanna hear you say yeah.
UD Audacity. That's right. One more time. You know? See you on stage. Good night.